Husqvarna Viking Epic 980Q is one of the most advanced machines with numerous features to not only improve your sewing skills, but teach you something new. It's one of their largest models, has the brightest workspace lighting, and comes with an easy-to-use, easy-to-read large touchscreen. This touchscreen is where you can begin to access some of the standout features of this machine, like My SewNet, which allows you to sign in and access files from multiple devices, including your phone or tablet via the app. Another top feature is the exclusive sensor system. This system automatically and continuously senses and adjusts to any thickness of fabric, resulting in perfect, even feeding as you sew, even if your fabric thickness varies within the same project. This machine comes with over 1,000 different stitches to choose from and exclusive stitch techniques, like sequin stitches, theme stitches, and dimensional stitches. Dimensional stitches can be made by adding fabric or embellishments to create a unique textured effect. The 980Q also has a deluxe stitch system, which feeds the right amount of thread for each stitch and adjusts tension if necessary to ensure a precise and even stitch on both sides of the fabric no matter what thread you use, making it perfect for metallic or other specialty threads. The Husqvarna Viking Epic 980Q also comes with the JoyOS Advisor. This allows you to select the fabric type you want to use, anything from basic to detailed sewing, and then the JoyOS Advisor feature will automatically set the best stitch type, width, and length for that fabric. It will also adjust the thread tension and presser foot pressure for the technique you've chosen to use. The JoyOS Advisor also has animations and illustrations to provide advice right on the touchscreen. This machine can not only make using new stitches or sewing new techniques easier, it can help you learn them. With the JoyOS Advisor, simply select Sewing. Decide what it is you want to sew or what you want to learn more about, and the machine automatically sets up for that technique. If you're new to that technique, the 980Q will help you along the way with advice, tips, and even step-by-step videos. With the Husqvarna Viking Epic 980Q, you're sure to always have the right machine setting no matter what technique you're using or what fabric you're using, giving you great results every time.